A running heart is a healthy heart. Running is fantastic exercise. It's not just about moving your legs, it's about engaging your entire body in a rhythmic, powerful motion that benefits you in countless ways. It's a natural and effective way to improve your heart health. Whether you're running on a trail, along the beach, or through the bustling streets of a city, the benefits remain the same. When you run, your heart works harder. This makes it stronger. Each step you take sends a signal to your heart to pump more blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. A strong heart pumps blood more efficiently. This means that over time, your resting heart rate can decrease, and your heart doesn't have to work as hard to keep you going. That means a healthier you. Celebrating the completion of a run is not just about the distance covered, but about the progress made towards a healthier lifestyle. Running is a form of cardio. Cardio exercises are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and lungs. Cardio is short for cardiovascular. It refers to exercises that raise your heart rate and keep it elevated for a period of time. It means anything that gets your heart pumping. Running uphill or on a treadmill, both are excellent ways to challenge your cardiovascular system. Cardio is crucial for overall health. Participating in events like marathons or simply enjoying a sunset run can significantly improve your well-being. It keeps your heart and lungs in top shape. Deep breaths during and after a run help to oxygenate your blood and improve lung capacity. Running has many benefits beyond a healthy heart. It connects you with nature, provides a sense of freedom, and can be a joyful experience. It can help you lose weight. It can reduce stress. The physical exertion of running burns calories, while the rhythmic motion can be meditative, helping to clear your mind. It can even boost your mood. The release of endorphins during a run can leave you feeling happier and more energized. If you're looking for a great way to improve your health, start running. Even if you're a beginner, tying your shoes and taking that first step can be the start of a transformative journey. It's one of the best things you can do for your body and mind. Cooling down after a run with a smile on your face and a scenic view around you is a reward in itself. Embrace the journey and let running lead you to a healthier, happier life. Heart disease is a serious problem that affects millions of people around the globe. It's a leading cause of death worldwide, claiming more lives each year than any other illness. The statistics are alarming, but there's hope. The good news is that running can significantly reduce your risk of developing heart disease. It's a simple, accessible activity that can make a huge difference. Studies show that runners are 45% less likely to develop heart disease compared to non-runners. This is a substantial reduction that highlights the importance of regular physical activity. That's a remarkable reduction. Running helps your heart in many ways, from improving cardiovascular health to boosting overall fitness levels. One of the key benefits of running is that it helps lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure strains your heart, making it work harder than it should. Over time, this can lead to serious complications. Running helps keep it in check by promoting better circulation and heart function. Regular running can lead to long-term improvements in blood pressure. Running also improves your cholesterol levels, which is another critical factor in heart health. It increases good cholesterol, HDL, and lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. This balance is essential for maintaining healthy arteries. This is crucial for healthy arteries and blood flow, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and blockages that can lead to heart attacks. By taking up running, you're actively fighting against heart disease. It's a proactive step that empowers you to take control of your health. It's a powerful step towards a longer, healthier life. Running not only benefits your heart, but also enhances your mental well-being, boosts your immune system, and improves your overall quality of life. So lace up those running shoes and start your journey to a healthier heart today. Running is like a tune-up for your entire body. It benefits more than just your heart. Running improves lung capacity, circulation, and more. When you run, your lungs work harder. They take in more oxygen. This strengthens your lungs and improves their capacity. Over time, you'll find it easier to breathe, even during other activities. Running also boosts circulation. It improves blood flow throughout your body. This delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs more efficiently. Improved circulation also helps remove waste products. It keeps your body functioning at its best. Running truly benefits your body from the inside out. Looking to shed some pounds? Running is an excellent way to burn calories. It's more effective than many other forms of exercise. Running at a moderate pace can burn approximately 600 calories per hour. Of course, the exact number varies. It depends on factors like your weight and speed. But regardless of the exact figures, running consistently will help you lose or maintain weight. It's a fantastic way to boost your metabolism and burn those extra calories. Remember to combine running with a healthy diet for optimal results. Running and a balanced diet make a winning combination for weight management. Section 5. The heart of a runner. A runner's heart is a powerful organ, capable of incredible feats of endurance and strength. When you think about the heart of a runner, imagine a finely tuned engine, working tirelessly to keep the body moving. Regular running strengthens the heart muscle, making it more resilient and efficient. Each stride you take, each breath you draw, contributes to the fortification of this vital organ. It makes it more efficient at pumping blood, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered swiftly to every cell in your body. This efficiency is crucial for maintaining overall health and stamina. Think of your heart like any other muscle. Just as lifting weights strengthens your biceps, running fortifies your heart. The more you work it, the stronger it gets, and the better it performs under stress. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. High-intensity interval training, for example, pushes your heart to adapt to rapid changes in demand, enhancing its capacity to handle both intense bursts and steady-state efforts. Running provides an excellent workout for your heart, challenging it in ways that promote growth and efficiency. Whether you're running a marathon or just jogging on a treadmill, your heart is reaping the benefits. One of the key indicators of a healthy heart is a low resting heart rate. This is a sign that your heart is so efficient, it doesn't need to work as hard to maintain your body's basic functions. This means your heart beats less per minute while at rest, conserving energy and reducing wear and tear on the cardiovascular system. Runners tend to have lower resting heart rates than non-runners. This difference is a testament to the conditioning and strength that regular running imparts to the heart. A lower resting heart rate means your heart is working efficiently, pumping blood with minimal effort. This efficiency translates to better endurance and quicker recovery times. It doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body, which means it can handle more strenuous activities without becoming overworked. Running helps you achieve this. The joy and satisfaction of completing a run, the camaraderie of running with a group, and the personal milestones you reach all contribute to a healthier, stronger heart. So lace up your shoes, hit the trail, and let your heart lead the way. Section 6. Endorphins, your brain's reward for running. Running isn't just good for your body. It's incredibly beneficial for your mind too. When you run, your brain releases endorphins. Endorphins are natural mood boosters. They have pain-relieving and stress-reducing effects. This is why many runners experience a runner's high. Running can help alleviate symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. The endorphin release plays a significant role in this. It's like a natural antidepressant. So next time you're feeling stressed or down, consider going for a run. It's a fantastic way to clear your head and boost your mood naturally. Section 7. Finding your running start. Ready to start running? That's great. It's important to start slowly, especially if you're new to exercise. Don't try to do too much too soon. Begin with short runs or a combination of walking and running. Gradually increase your distance and intensity over time. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. It's okay to take breaks when needed. Finding a running buddy can also be helpful. It's more fun to run with a friend, and it helps with motivation. Section 8. Listen to your body. As you run more, it's crucial to pay attention to your body. Don't ignore pain. Pain is a sign that something is wrong. If you experience any sharp or persistent pain, stop running and rest. Consult a doctor if the pain persists. It's normal to feel some muscle soreness, especially after running longer distances. This is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. It's usually harmless and goes away within a few days. However, sharp pain is different. It's your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Listen to those signals and take care of yourself. Section 9. Gear up for success. Having the right gear can make your running experience more enjoyable. Invest in a good pair of running shoes. This is crucial for comfort and injury prevention. Visit a specialty running store to get fitted for shoes that suit your foot type and running style. Wear comfortable, breathable clothing. Moisture-wicking fabrics are great for keeping you dry and comfortable during your runs. You may also want to consider a running watch or fitness tracker. These devices can track your distance, pace, and heart rate. Section 10. Lace up and run. Running is a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health and overall well-being. It's a natural, accessible, and highly effective form of exercise. From strengthening your heart to boosting your mood, the benefits of running are numerous. Start slowly, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Lace up your shoes and experience the transformative power of running. Your heart, body, and mind will thank you for it.